Welcome to Revit 2020 Basic Architectural Modeling Session 1 Part 4. My name is Dr. Wong Chi Hong. In this video, I'm going to explain how to create great lines and to draw a wall in a 3D model. When you open a new project, you can see from the drawing area there are 4 elevation markers. You can zoom in or zoom out by scrolling up or down to adjust the drawing area using central scroll button of your mouse. You can press and hold the central scroll button to pan the drawing area. Change the background color of the drawing area. You can also adjusting color by click File tab, select Options. In the Option dialog, click Graphite Type. Under Color for background, select the desired background color. Creating great line. Great lines are datums that are used as references or guidelines for a building model. Creating a framework of great lines early in the project can help you as you develop your model. On the Architecture tab, click Grid. On the drawing area, great lines can be straight segments or arch segment. In this example, I will place great lines by clicking each end of a line segment. When you add great lines to a project, Revit automatically number each line. Click the small brick symbol on a grid line to add an elbow to a grid line if needed. You can also use the control at either end to adjust the length of the grid line. You can align each grid line together to adjust the length. The blue dotted line appeared when other grid lines are aligned. You can also adjust distance between each grid lines by changing the dimension value between the two grid lines. You can change the grid line notation as you place your grid lines. For example, change the first grid line number to a letter, and all subsequent grid lines use the same naming pattern. Revit allows you to create multiple grid types for different conditions in your model. In this example, I'm going to set some grid lines to none for the center segment. First, select the grid lines you want to display none in the center segment. Then go to Editor, type in Property Palette. Select Change the setting in the center segment to none from the Types Property window. Creating a wall. On Architectural tab, click on the Wall tool. You can have different methods to draw a wall. If you hover your cursor over the tools, you can get a pop-up help menu which tells you about each input method to draw. The line input method allows you to draw a straight line or a change of connected straight line wall. You can then have rectangular method to draw a wall. Polygon input method. And other input methods. At the option bar, there's a tick to change for a straight line wall input method. This allows to draw a change of wall. It will stop when the endpoint meets with the starting point. From the property palette, edit type, you can choose a particular types of wall. Bay constraint is level 0, which is wall commencing level. Top constraint is unconnected, therefore it's not connected to any levels. Height is 8 meters. This information similar to what you can get from the option bar. Also take note at the location line, which is wall center line, which means the dimension will be measured center to center from each wall. I'm now using the rectangular input method to draw a wall. And then we have an object in the drawing area in a 2D view. We can view this object in a 3D views. Go to the project browser, expand the 3D views, and double click 3D. To view this object better, we can pan the 3D object by press and hold the center button of the mouse. We can also turn around and orbit the 3D object by press and hold the center button and press the shift key at the same time. You also notice that the view cube at the top of the right hand corner is moving. This view cube gives standard axonometric views. We now finished how to create grid lines, adding a wall and a 3D view using Revit 2020. Thank you for watching.